Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Wave to track insurance premium payments, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Wave to track insurance premium payments, start by logging into your Wave account. Once you are on the dashboard, navigate to the Accounting tab located in the left sidebar. Click on Transactions from the drop-down menu. This page will display all of your financial transactions. Look for the Add Income button in the top right corner and click on it. In the pop-up window, select the option for Income from Sales to record the payment. Enter the amount of the insurance premium you want to track. In the Customer field, add the name of the insurance provider. Choose the appropriate category for this transaction, such as insurance or expenses. If you wish to add more details, click on the Notes section to provide additional context. Once all information is filled out, click on the Save button to record the transaction. Next, go back to the Accounting tab and select Reports. From the Reports section, choose the Profit. This report will help you see how your insurance premium payments fit into your overall financial picture. To ensure ongoing tracking, repeat these steps each time you make a new payment. You can also set reminders in your calendar for future premium due dates. This will help you stay organized and avoid any missed payments. Utilizing Wave for this purpose will keep your records clear and accessible. This method is straightforward and effective for beginners. By following these steps, you'll be able to track your insurance premium payments with ease. Make sure to check your records regularly to ensure accuracy. Feel free to reach out to Wave's customer support if you encounter any issues. Now you're ready to efficiently manage your insurance finances through Wave. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.